when we come back, how will things have changed? Nobody knows.
Introduce you. I kind of feel weird because I feel like I know you're going to talk about the hurricane, so I don't want to step up there and then feel like I need to say something.
Yeah, I can. Look at these guys. They're wide awake and ready to be here. Did you get up early? That's helping your neighbor put up their shutters, or whether that's, you know, got 2 bottles of water and is, you know, abundance or scarcity. Am I going to give some to my neighbor, or am I going to hang on to it all to myself? Limited resources. And then, you know.
Bye. And yes, your blog is good. You subscribe.
See you later. See you. You too.
It went good. A lot more people than I thought. Is it clogged up there?
No. It's starting to get a little bit. It's artsy.
It's hot.
How are you?
All right, man. Have a good one. All right, we just finished our book study. Now we're getting ready to do a worship service. In case we don't have service this weekend, we'll be able to put this out online and people will be able to worship before the storm arrives, or if they live in an area where the storm will not be coming, or our campuses that are nowhere near the storm. The service has started. Steph and I gotta get out there.
I'm ready.
I spent some time looking at some of these scriptures and just praying about the storm. Doing what that scripture said in hopes that it would bring us all peace. The Psalms 27:1. Stop number 1 on Hurricane Irma. Gotta go into the hotel. There we are, room 311.
Hi! Look at it. Hey.
Well, Charlie, stay in here. Here's what's interesting. It says the maximum room rate is $599. Now, you know what we paid for this room? $109. So, I guess they can charge that much if they want to. And I'm thankful with the hurricane out there that they chose not to. So, thank you to the residents in.
Thank you for shopping with us. We appreciate it.
Huh?
Is it running out of gas or are you full?
As Hurricane Harvey continues to hit the Gulf Coast with massive rains and flooding, all kinds of people have come to the rescue.
Oh, so you weren't like empty. Oh. We're making good time. I thought we'd be out for a while. We can now rip Dad because he was grouchy and that's why he didn't come.
Well, we finally got gas.
Woohoo! And it didn't even take us that long.
No, it didn't. Because that police officer directing traffic. We're on our way back with all of our
What are you
stuff.
carrying, Miss Bailey?
I'm carrying the camera.
That's quite convenient. You just got the camera.
The people.
I'm giving the people what they want.
You made it back.
You sent us
We made it
out
back.
on our own.
We made it back.
All on our lonesome.
All on our own. I don't know what to think about that.
It was a productive trip.
I want to remind you again, if you'd like to help, you can go to potentialchurch.com. The link is below and sign up. Tell us about your chainsaw or your pickup or truck or whatever it is you have. And of course, every natural disaster, the #1 need, resources. If you'd like to give, we're going to get it to real neighborhoods and real people to make a real difference. And we'll even be sharing some of the cool things that we're doing. Hey, I'll catch you on the next vlog. show you a little bit more about what's going on behind the scene. We'll catch you on the next one because this one is, you guessed it, over.